Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you what's inside the box of the new M4 MacBook Pro, and I'll also provide you some details on what's new and offer some tips on which variant you should buy. To open the box, there are two adhesive strips on the bottom that you need to remove. After that, gently flip the box and while holding the sides, give it a slight shake to help it slide downwards. Then hold the box steady and carefully remove the lid. To take out the MacBook, grab the pull tab, lift it gently and unwrap the paper cover. The M4 MacBook Pro comes in two colors, silver and space black. Below the MacBook you will find the MagSafe charging cable, white for the silver option and black for the space black, a quick start guide and an AC charger. Unfortunately, the charger itself is always white, regardless of the MacBook color, which doesn't pair well with the black version. The MacBook comes with two screen sizes, 14.2 inches and 16.2 inches, just like the M3 series models. The smaller one is more portable, but the 16-inch model offers a slightly better sound quality and slightly better battery life. Externally, the laptop has no major differences compared to any of the previous M series generations. On the left side, you have a MagSafe charging port, two USB-C ports and a 3.5mm headphone jack. On the right, there's an HDMI connector, another USB-C port and an SD card slot. The only upgrade is that the M4 Pro and the M4 Max models feature Thunderbolt 5 ports instead of Thunderbolt 4. The screen is now brighter and handles reflections better when compared to the M2 Pro model. This one features the standard glossy finish, but there's also a nano texture option available, which offers a matte-like finish and is better suited for very bright environments. I personally prefer glossy displays, but if you're unsure which one to choose, I recommend visiting a store and comparing them in person to see which one works best for you. The camera has been also slightly improved and now supports center stage, which keeps you centered even when you move left or right. In terms of performance, all M4 chips outperform their M3 counterparts, with a bigger leap than the M3 had over the M2 series. There are 5 options: the base M4 with 10 CPU cores, the M4 Pro with either 12 or 14 cores, and the M4 Max with 14 or 16 cores. The base M4 is only available for the 14-inch model. For basic workloads, the model with the standard M4 will be powerful enough. It starts at $1,500 with 16GB of RAM and 512GB of storage. However, in such case, you might also consider the MacBook Air with the same chip, which costs around $1,100 for the 13-inch version and around $1,300 for the 15-inch version. If you need more power, the M4 Pro starts at around $1,900 for the 14-inch model and $2,300 for the 16-inch. But if you decide to go for the most powerful version, I highly recommend choosing the 16-core M4 Max, as the 14-core M4 Max shows almost no improvements over the 14-core M4 Pro in various benchmarks, and it starts at $3,200. For comparison, you could get an M4 Pro MacBook with 12GB more RAM and the same 1TB storage for under $2,900. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure you hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to see more content like this. Also, feel free to leave a comment below.